Edu Skills, learning very easy. You know, OET has 4 subtests: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. And reading, please note, 42 questions, 42 marks. 2, in part A, you should write your answers clearly in the spaces given in the question booklet. If you write somewhere else, that will not be considered. In part B and part C, you must shade the circle next to the appropriate answer. There will be a circle, you have to shade the circle. Part A materials will be collected from you after 15 minutes. Immediately after 15 minutes, the part A booklets will be collected, so you cannot make any alterations later. You have to complete it within first 15 minutes. And part A, you must use exactly the same form of the word or short phrase as given in the 4 texts. You cannot use synonym or any other word, or you can't change the form of the word. Copy and paste, we say, just copy and paste. Again, 6, abbreviations are not accepted unless they appear in the text. In part A, if the full form is given in the text, you cannot write abbreviations. If they are given in the text part A reading, you can use the abbreviations. Otherwise, if you use abbreviations, you will be penalized. You may not get a score for that. 7, responses that are not spelled correctly will not receive any marks. If your answers are not spelled correctly, that's why I said copy and paste, no change, not even a spelling change is allowed. So responses that your answers that are not spelled correctly will not receive any marks. And 8, grade B, a scale score of 350 will typically have a score of at least 30 marks. But with Edu Skills, we don't train people who want to score grade B, but we train only people those who are interested to score grade A. I'll tell you the reasons later. And you know, this is what we said, we focus only on 450, not below. And if you are focusing on, or if you are bothered about just B grade, maybe this is not your platform, you can definitely contact someone else for the training. Okay, that I'll explain why it is so.